Warli painting is one of the most famous tribal paintings of India. In this series of painting, first we will learn basic shapes to form human figures, then we will see different borders, then we will learn birds, after that animals, and then we will learn trees. Then we will take samples from each of the lessons and finally compose a beautiful paint. So stay tuned with me.